Namaskar and welcome back to the Bengal's Kitchen. I hope you all are doing great. At first, Shubha Novoborsho to everyone. May this new year brings all the happiness in your life and we get a permanent relief from this COVID. As we all know, COVID cases are increasing so rapidly. I hope you all are taking proper precautions to fight against COVID. So I was thinking, what should I prepare this week? Something that will have a touch of Bengali tradition and flavors of summer. So suddenly I remembered that I missed a major delicacy of Bengali cuisine, that is prawn or Chingri Maach. So after doing a lot of research and hard work, I found a very interesting and unique recipe, that is Aam Chingri or Prawn Mango Curry. There are many tricks to peel garlic, but I found this one quite easy. All you have to do is to microwave them for 10 seconds. What happens is the inner part of the garlic becomes a little soft and the outer part turns dry, making it easier to take the skin out just like this. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do so, please give us a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel or haven't subscribed this channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe our channel. Please hit the bell icon to get the instant notification. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, and once again, Shubha Novovarsho to all of you.